desertification should be evident.
Not abuse to the planet.
Drought, flood, desertification should be evident enough.
Do so, lest we despair.
On a particular subject, let's cut the palaver. When volcanoes erupt, we must expect lava. It is no slumber, the hard truth like lumber. It is no fender bender. We have no choice but to surrender and stand with nature.
Else, nature's laws would defy us. The earth is warming, the climate is changing. Without being cynical, eco-restoration is taking a leap of faith to happen. It is no vain hope of nature's protection by making of you a total exception.
Now, scientific facts are more evident. Drought, flood, desertification should be evident enough. And if you yourselves have caught and encountered the loss, I regret to inform you that I'm not to blame. It's our earth and it's our Dora.
Behold, it started with one Earth in 1974. Creation perfectly fashioned, designed for the good of mankind with responsible stewardship. The UN environment was such magnificence in the beginning.
Indeed, yet besmirched, as inhabitants of the environment keep on maligning the elegance of grace-filled beauty. Now, Mother Earth grievously languishes anthropogenically.
On a particular subject, let's cut the palaver. When volcano erupts, you must expect lava. It is no slumber, the hard truth like lumber.
In the beginning, my children loved me. They really loved me. All verily afflicted with man's exploit, while technology soars towards progress crest, leaving her virgin forest ravished against original state of nature at its best.
Recreate nature, sign in desperate disgust at civilization's arrogance. Along mocking skeptical myth, never stops to give stern warning, tolerating not abuse to planet once verily functional.
On a particular subject, let's cut the palaver. When volcanoes erupt, you must expect lava. It is no slumber, the hard truths like lumber.
Restore planet offering life, brings earnest admonition, inflicting guilt to heed. Hopeful we do so, lest in despair wail for wasted creation.
It is no fender bender. We have no choice but to surrender and stand with nature. Let's reimagine, recreate, restore. It's eco-restoration time.